So hello everyone, welcome to Programming Now. So in today's video, we are going to see how we can create our own slash screen. So the first thing what we'll be seeing, like in the last video, we have created, we have customized the native slash screen. So in this video, we are just going to first remove that as we don't want that anymore. So yeah, just like by using this, it won't be removing it. But yeah, like just remove the package name and all. Now, how to create a slash screen. So very first, this is my app and over here we have my home page. So let's just clear the code for now. Instead of my home page, we will be showing slash page. So come to the lib folder. Over here you can see that main.dart. So we need a file home and we need a file slash. So very first thing, the home can be anything. Like any page, you can use any widget, stateless or stateful. Then the scaffold, we have background color, let's give red. Okay, not give red, let's give blue. Then the body, center, child, text, and the app name. Let's not call it app name, let's just call it home page. We need a style, the text style, the size is the font size should be 24, color should be white. Yeah, this much is ready, and let's give it blue accept. Even this is ready. So this is our home page. So now how to create a splash page. So how it will work. The very first thing, you have to design your own slash page. But for the slash page, it is like it is one of the way to use by like we can implement by using stateful widget. Let's just scaffold will like the designing all the part in the build method will be same. The logic for the slash page will be in a different method, but let's see how we can create a slash page. So over here, we are going to use the image.asset and the asset which we defined like we set in the last period. So images.image.png. Let's just give a height of 150 and a width of 150. So yeah, this much is done. We'll be having an image, and yeah, now the main part. Come to the main.dart and the first page will be slash page. Okay, this is also done. Now the main logic for the slash page is over here. We'll be writing that in the init state. So first, we have a class called timer. So by using this, we'll be making this slash page a functional slash page. So it takes two parameters. First, duration. Another is a void callback, basically a function. So this is done. Now in the duration, we'll pass seconds. So let's suppose I want it for 3 seconds. And in the method, like after 3 seconds, what needs to be done? We are just going to use navigator.push. Now material.pageRoute, we are going to just pass this, send this to the home page. So the syntax to do that is this. Yeah, even this is done. So as it is giving error for implementation, let's do start. So now what is happening? Let's just close the app. Now you will understand the difference between the native slash and the slash which we created. First you will see the native slash, then we'll see the slash page which we created. So let's restart the app. And now if you see, this is a native slash, it will go. Now this is the slash which we created, and after 3 seconds it automatically comes to the home page. So the only part over here it is of doing this logic, like wait for 3 seconds, then push the navigate, like push execute the block, this block code. So yeah, that's it. But there is one issue, and the issue is if you come to home and just paste a app bar over here, if like basically you will be having a app bar for your app. So I just put a app bar. So now if you see there is an arrow back. So if you go back, so we'll come back to the slash screen. But in the apps, usually it doesn't happen. Like if a slash screen only comes for the first time, not every time. So the mistake over here is that we are pushing the navigator instead of replacing. What we have to do, replace the splash screen with the home page. So now we won't be getting that. So let's just hot restart the app. So yeah, this is the slash screen. After 3 seconds, it will gone. There is no back icon. If you all back, the app will close. So yeah, this was the way to create your own splash screen. You can also add anything in the scaffold to make your app, like to make your slash screen more enhancing. Thank you.